Loma homes are completely different to what we've ever experienced in homes generally. The experience is way above everything that we have, way above what we feel is out there. The cleaning process is meticulous. Each room has different things that you have to make sure are in the right places, that they're found and put back. Everything is just worked through step by step by step, and then double checked by us step by step by step. I do the bathrooms, and then I do the laundry, and then I finish in the kitchen, and then work through top to bottom with the hoovering and the polishing, making sure that everything is then close the doors, make sure that each room is then ticked off. So I go start to bottom and then work my way out of the door. During COVID, it's completely changed. Everything is now sanitised, including all the comforters. Everything is just spot checked as well, just to make sure handles are done, the controllers, it's all deep cleaned, all sanitised, ready for the next arrival to just try and prevent the spread of COVID. If I was staying in a vacation home, I would like it to be that I experienced that I was the very first guest arriving in that home. That everything was spotless, everything was where it should be, that I can find everything easily and walk into a welcoming home.